Good morning, students. Now class number 9, page number 90, problem number 11. Very important for CET. Problem number 11, page number 90. If A comma B are, so important for CET. If A comma B are symmetric matrices, matrices of same order, then AB minus BA, is A dash. Option number A, skew symmetric. Option number A, skew symmetric. Option number B, symmetric matrix. Option number C, zero matrix. Option number D, identity matrix. Okay. So we know what is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric means in a square matrix, if A dash is equal to minus A dash is equal to minus A, then that A square matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. What is the definition of a symmetric matrix? So in a square matrix, A dash is equal to A, then A matrix is called symmetric matrix. What is zero matrix? In a matrix, every element is 0, then that matrix is zero matrix. What is identity matrix? We know identity matrix. So I2 means order 2 identity matrix. That means 1 0 0 1. I3 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. All these are identity matrices. This is order 2, this is order 3. Order 2 means 2 by 2. Order 3 means 3 by 3. Okay. Now we will see which one is the perfect answer. So what is given? A comma B are symmetric matrices. So A comma B are symmetric matrices. That means answer A dash is equal to A, comma B dash is equal to B. He is asking what is AB minus BA. So you take AB minus BA. Find out transpose. AB minus BA whole dash is equal to AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. How? Means we know one formula. A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. From that formula we can write AB minus BA whole dash is equal to AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. Next step, that is equal to AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash minus BA whole dash is equal to A dash into B dash. We know this condition. So formula AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Next step, B dash is equal to B into A dash is equal to A minus A dash means A, B dash means B. B dash is equal to B. Next, now you can common minus. If you common minus, you can write this one as AB minus BA. AB minus BA. Therefore, AB minus BA whole dash is equal to minus of AB minus BA. See this condition? So, suppose if you take this one as C dash is equal to minus this one C. So, C dash is equal to minus C. This condition is we know in skew symmetric, so that AB minus BA, AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. This is the perfect option. Okay, write them fast. Next, very important for CET this problem. Okay, one more problem. Problem number 12 also very important for CET. So if problem number 12. Problem number 12, page number 90. Write down, if capital A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then A plus A dash is equal to I. If the value of alpha is, important this one also for CET. Option number A, pi by 6. Option number B, pi by 3. Option number C, pi. Option number D, 3 pi by 2. So what is given? They given A matrix and A plus A transpose is equal to I. We will find out what is the value of alpha. That means the angle we have to find out. Okay. Answer. So A plus A dash is equal to I. What is A? A means cos alpha. Next minus sin alpha. Next sin alpha. Next cos alpha. So plus A transpose. A transpose means right first column. Cos alpha minus sin alpha. Right second row, second column. That means sin alpha cos alpha. This is A dash is equal to. What is I? I means identity matrix order 2 by 2. In this problem given A order is 2 by 2. Therefore you can take identity matrix 2 by 2 identity matrix. That means 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. Next, from these two between plus is an operation, so that corresponding elements you should add it. Therefore cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha. Minus sin alpha plus sin alpha 0. Sin alpha plus of minus sin alpha 0. Cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha. That is equal to 1 0 0 1. If two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. That means 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. From this step, cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2 means, so alpha is equal to, so in cos 0 1, cos 30 1 by 2, therefore so cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore alpha is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees means 5 by 3 radians. So alpha is equal to 5 by 3. So which is the correct option? B is the correct option. Write down fast. Next, very important concept. Okay, next concept is very important concept. Okay, next concept, heading right down, elementary operation. We can write this one now like this also, transformation. Elementary operation, otherwise transformation of a matrix. This is heading. Very important concept. Elementary operation. So if you see an elementary operation under this concept, mainly 6 operations are there under rows and columns. 3 are belongs to rows, 3 are belongs to columns. So first one is you can write this small story, then after that, okay, we will discuss those properties. Okay, so there are 6 operations. Six operations on a matrix. 3 are belong to rows, and 3 are belong to columns. Okay, so totally 6 operations. 3 are belong to rows, 3 are belong to columns. Okay, next. So first one heading is The interchange of the interchange of any two rows or two columns the interchange of any two rows or two columns. Okay, the interchange of any two rows or two columns. So if you see under this, I will take ith row and jth row. That means symbolically the interchange of, so that means interchange of ith row and jth row is denoted by Ri like this symbol. That means interchanging symbol. Rj, Ri, interchange of Rj. So if you take rows, the condition is Ri interchanging of Rj. Suppose if you take columns, that means interchange of ith column and jth column is denoted by Ci interchange of Cj. Okay, one is row operation, another one is column operation. This is important. Okay, so you can underline like this. Okay, so the interchange of any two rows or two columns. The interchange of any two rows or two columns. Suppose if we take ith row and jth row, if you want to interchange, you have to denote it like this: Ri interchange of Rj. Suppose if you want columns interchange, suppose ith column and jth column interchange, then you can represent like this: Ci interchange of Cj. For example, if you take one example, so 1, 2, 4, 5, -1, 3, 0, 6, 9 is a matrix. Okay, so I want this operation R1 interchange of R3, interchange of R3, interchange of, like this symbol is interchange of. That means, so you will write R1 elements in R3 place, R3 elements you can write in R1 place. That means this is R1, this is R3, you have to interchange. That means it will come like this. So 0, 6, 9. So R2 same as it is 5, -1, 3. Next R1 you can write in R3 place 1, 2, 4. That is first one. Okay. Suppose if you want interchange of any two columns, suppose C2 interchange of C3, interchange of C3, then you can write this matrix like this. So this is C1, you write same as it is 150, sorry 150, 150, right? C2 C3 interchange, that means C3 elements right in C2 place, 4 3 9, C2 elements right in C3 place, 2 minus 1 6. So like this, these two operations will useful, understand? So what is this? The interchange of any two rows or two columns. Okay, next one, write down fast. Next one. So second one. The multiplication of the elements, the multiplication of the elements of any row or column by a non-zero number. Okay, this one also you can underline. That means the multiplication of the elements of any row or column by a non-zero number. Okay, symbolically, that means if you take ith row and symbolically, that means the multiplication of each element of the ith row by a non-zero number k. Okay, we can denote this one as denoted by Ri userize, that means Ri maps. You can write like this also, Ri maps. So k into Ri, k is constant. You want changes in ith row, so Ri maps. How you want? Multiplying every element in this row by k. K means constant. That means, so Ri maps k into Ri. This is one operation. Suppose see, if you take like column wise, that means the multiplication of each element of the ith column by a non-zero number k it is denoted by Ci. Why Ci? Column operation. So Ci maps K into Ci. So in under 1 we have seen 2 operations. Now 2 operations. So 4 operations. Okay. Now we will see in one example. So example, so 5 minus 6 7 0 3 2 4 minus 1 5. I have taken one example. So in this example I have chosen second row. So R2, I have chosen second row. I want some changes in second row. How I want to changes in second row elements means every element is multiplying by 2. That means, so 2 into R2. Then you can write this matrix as like this. So R1 same as it is 5 minus 6 7. So R2 element means every element is multiplied by 2. So 2 into 0 0, 2 into 3 6, 2 2 are 4. R3 same as it is 4 minus 1 5. This is the multiplication of each element of the second row by a non-zero number 2. It is denoting by R2 maps to R2. That means you want changes in second row. How you want changes in second row? If you take a non-zero number 2, then multiply that to all elements in the second row. So 2 R2. Understand? Now we will see column operation. Suppose you want some changes in third column. So it is denoting by C3. C3 gives rise. Every element is multiplying by 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into C3. That means you get this one as, so C1 same as it is. So 5 0 4. C2 also as it is, minus 6 3 minus 1. So C3 elements you can multiply by 5 by 2. 7 into 5 by 2. So 35 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2 to cancel. So 5. 5 into 5 by 2. 25 by 2. Like this. Okay. Next one is third one. Written first. Next third one. Last third one. The addition of the elements. The addition to the elements of any row or column, the corresponding elements of any other row or column multiplied by any non-zero number. any non-zero number. That means, so now you can underline this sentence. This is third one. Under this third one also we can see row condition and column condition. Therefore total it will come 6. Okay. So that means the addition to the elements, of ith row, the corresponding elements of jth row multiplied by k is denoted by Ri maps Ri plus k into Rj. Ri maps Ri plus k into Rj. Next, that is row operation. Now we will see column operation. That means the addition to the elements of ith column, the corresponding elements of jth column multiplied by k is denoted by Ci maps Ci plus k into Cj. Ci maps Ci plus k into Cj. Okay. So